Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Exodus wallet. To begin, always prioritize security by ensuring your wallet software is legitimate. This process helps protect your valuable digital assets from potential risks. We will cover essential steps to confirm the authenticity of your Exodus wallet, giving you peace of mind. It is a simple yet critical procedure for every user. First, ensure you download the Exodus wallet exclusively from its official website. This is a fundamental step to avoid counterfeit software that could compromise your funds. Never use third-party download sites or suspicious links. Always double-check the website address in your browser to confirm it is the genuine Exodus domain before initiating any download. This simple check can save you from significant trouble. Next, verify the integrity of your downloaded Exodus file using checksums or digital signatures. After downloading, locate the official checksum or hash value on the Exodus website. Then, use a verification tool on your computer to generate the hash of your downloaded file. Compare these two values. They must match exactly. This confirms the software has not been altered or corrupted during download, ensuring its authenticity. Finally, maintain ongoing security practices for your Exodus wallet. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Regularly back up your wallet and store your 12-word recovery phrase in a secure, offline location. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams and never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. Your vigilance is your best defense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.